A balanced diet is simple. It means eating a variety of foods. These foods should come from different food groups. This gives your body what it needs. These needs include energy and nutrients. Think of your body like a car. A car needs the right fuel to run smoothly. Food is fuel for your body. A balanced diet is like the best fuel for your body. Just like a car needs oil and gas, your body needs different nutrients. A balanced diet provides these. These nutrients help you grow, be active, and stay healthy. There are 6 main food groups. First, we have fruits. Fruits are colorful and sweet. Apples, bananas, and berries are all fruits. Second, we have vegetables. Vegetables are full of vitamins. Carrots, broccoli, and spinach are good choices. Third, there are grains. Grains give us energy. Bread, rice, and pasta are examples of grains. Fourth, we need protein. Protein helps our bodies grow strong. Meat, fish, beans, and nuts have protein. The 5th group is dairy. Dairy gives us calcium for strong bones. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are dairy products. Finally, we have fats. Healthy fats are important for our bodies. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are good sources. Each food group has special nutrients. These nutrients help our bodies in different ways. Fruits provide vitamins and antioxidants. They keep our cells healthy. Vegetables are full of fiber. Fiber helps our digestion. Grains give us energy to start the day. They also provide important B vitamins. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. It keeps our muscles strong. Dairy gives us calcium. Calcium is important for strong bones and teeth. Healthy fats support brain function. They also help us absorb certain vitamins. Eating a variety of foods from all 6 groups ensures we get all the nutrients we need. Section 4. Simple steps to a balanced life. Creating a balanced diet is easy. Start by filling half your plate with fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Include lean protein in your meals. Choose low-fat or fat-free dairy products. Add healthy fats in moderation. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Lastly, plan your meals ahead of time. This helps you make healthier choices. A little planning goes a long way. Section 5. A deliciously balanced plate. Let's imagine a balanced meal. For lunch, you could have a grilled chicken salad. Start with a bed of leafy greens. Add colorful vegetables like bell peppers and cucumbers. Grill a piece of chicken breast for protein. Toss in some quinoa for healthy grains. Drizzle a light vinaigrette dressing with olive oil. This meal includes foods from all 6 food groups. It's packed with nutrients and delicious too. Remember, a balanced diet doesn't have to be boring. Section 6. Embrace the power of balanced eating. Eating a balanced diet is a gift you give yourself. It's an investment in your health and well-being. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you'll feel the difference. You'll have more energy, improved focus, and better sleep. A balanced diet can even boost your mood and strengthen your immune system. Start incorporating these simple tips today. Embrace the power of balanced eating. Your body will thank you for it.